dapat connected siya doon sa mandato ng ahensya. I think that is very important for the public to know kung ano yung dapat na intervention ng isang agency that has no direct mandate over security matters. In this case, the Office of the Vice President has no direct mandate to intervene in security matters, but she did so by requesting the confidential funds. What the COA wanted to really know is not the regular police work that has been doing by a lot of agencies that have that mandate. Kasi gusto mong mag-intervene, gusto mong mag-support, gusto mong mag-assist sa mga agencies na doing all this police work. So what can you actually supplement and add to the overall objective of dismantling criminal elements in the country? Ano? By surveillance of intelligence na ginagawa naman ng other agencies. Kaya nga gustong makita ng COA, ano yung mga nagawa ninyo na outside of the regular police work na po pwedeng sabihin you have successfully implemented this intelligence gathering that would support the already trabaho or work ng ating mga security agencies. Kaya doon pumapalo ngayon yung reward. 'Di ba? Kasi bakit ka pa magsusupport ng isang agenda na kung ikakopy mo lang at imitate mo lang yung regular police work ng ibang ahensya. Kaya ka nga decididong mag-support ng counter-insurgency work. Kasi may alam ka na po pwede mong idagdag doon sa already na ginagawa ng mga ahensya. I think yun yung dapat natin makita. And based on what we've heard from today's cross-examination, ang nag-benefit lang ata doon yung OVP. Yung pagpunta niya doon sa Davao, na safe siya. So it actually benefited herself, no, in her office by securing the security of the Vice President. What did the country obtain and gain from that? No? Anong nakuha natin doon as a benefit and as an advantage? So I guess that's the line of distinction na kinakailangan natin malaman. So again, purchase of reward, purchase of reward. Kailangan talaga may success yan eh. Hindi mo lang po pwedeng sabihin na hindi naman nire-require ng COA. But the COA has been consistent. It has been their standard of auditing na rin-require nila sa agency. So hindi lang po pwedeng sabihin ng OVP na wala naman dyan nakasulat dyan specifically sa joint circular. So why are you asking this from us? Yun naman talang standard ng procedure ng auditing process. So I guess kung titingnan natin, ano bang gusto ng OVP? Special treatment na naman. No? So kung usual standard yon na ginagawa ng ICFAO sa lahat ng ahensyang ni-require nila for the reward, dapat sumunod din ang OVP at hindi dapat magiging exempted.